Alright, hi. I'm Dylan, Family Panning. I'm taking on the challenge from Bubba Sons. They're offering a challenge out to anyone who can do a Klesh beginner pay dirt blindfolded. The rules say must show an empty snuffer bottle at the start that remains on screen. So let's do that now. Empty, clean, a little bit of water on it, but nothing in there. All right. Rule number 2, must open your pay dirt on screen. I'll do that last. Rule number 3, you can dump your bag without a blindfold on, but then you have to go blindfolded. Number 4, you can remove your blindfold or snuffer bottle you can remove your blindfold for snuffer bottle dump and cleanup. Number 5, gold weighed must be clean without rocks, water, etc. 6, video must be continuous, no pauses or breaks. 7, no technicalities, keep to the spirit of the challenge. Number 8, must be a subscriber. And number 9, have fun. So, I gotta say thank you very much to Bubba Sons for coming up with this creative idea for a challenge that involves panning, because there's always fun to be had when looking for gold. Here we go. Clearly not opened. Snuffer bottle, empty, no water in it. Not too worried about anything in the bottom of the bag, to be honest. If it was there, we would feel it. These beginner bags have only got those pickers in them, really, so... Alright, let's see if we got a pick or a coin, maybe? Maybe we got a coin this time. Oh, I see a pick. Here we go. And there's something purple in there. Let's take that purple thing out. Some purple and a pick. Alright. So, what I have here is a king-size pillow folded twice over. As you can see, it's just a folded pillowcase. And I'm just going to fold it up again. And there's no transparency through this. It is completely opaque. Are we all set up? I think we are. You know? We've got a snuffer bottle. We've got a pan full of dirt. Let's make sure we got some soap in that water. I like to use Tide, but since I'm going blindfolded, Dom's gonna be just fine. I'm not gonna care about the bubbles. They're not gonna hurt anybody. So, all right, I think we're good to go. Blindfold, yeah. Remove your blindfold for snuffer bottle dump and cleanup. All right. I guess I'll see you again when I got a snuffer bottle full of gold. Let's make sure this is recording. Okay. 5 minutes in. This is Buddy, by the way, sitting on the couch next to me. Here's my black lab mix. Here we go again. All right, I don't know how to prove I can't see. I can't see though. I have to close my eyes because this is so tight on my face. It actually hurts my eyeballs to open it. All right, wish me luck. Oh. Stratify it. Give it a good mix. Swirly, swirly. As you can see, I'm in my living room. I don't think the wife would be too happy if I dumped a bunch of water on the floor. So I gotta be a little extra careful. But she's at work right now, so I guess she won't know until she sees this. I'm not claiming to be any kind of pro at this. I'm just somebody who's willing to accept a challenge. And what better way to learn than doing a challenge? And well, if you can pan this blindfolded, I guess it says something about learning some of the technique. So if you think the beginner bag is far too easy, why don't you try throwing on a blindfold? Let me tell you. You start to appreciate your other senses a whole lot more. Like, most people probably only pan with one hand, because why would you put your left hand in the water if you don't need to? You got a lot of information from your hand and your ears. I'll bet I'll watch this back and go, that's better technique than I do when I have my eyes open. I'm not thinking about what I see, I'm just following the steps. Trying to not break the rules so that I don't lose any gold, and if you just follow those rules, you're normally pretty safe. Not too hard, you just do 4 or 5 at a time. Bring it back, make sure you're working in your riffles. I think it might be easier if you used a smaller pan with thin riffles instead of deep riffles for this, but I chose to go with the deep riffles. I don't really know why. I might try it with the other one on my next attempt. Going to do this with Brooklyn. Let's see how well she can pan blindfolded. Because she does an amazing job for what I thought a 9-year-old could do. What was that? I know you saw it, but I only heard it, and it sounded like it sounded different than the rest. Not that I'm gonna find it like this. It's okay. It's okay. The point of this is for fun. So, anybody who's just doing it to try to win the gold blast, don't bother. This is for fun and learning and the challenge to see if you can do it. I really want to see Shane post a video of trying to do this. I'm sure he can do it. I'm sure anybody can do it. It's just a matter of how much time you're willing to spend on it. And if you spend 4 hours on an impossible bag and 5 minutes on an easy bag, why not bump up the level of difficulty? So, here's your chance, Shane. From Klesh Guitars. Throw on a blindfold. See what he can do. I send a challenge to you. I feel like he should be limited to a certain amount of attempts as he has kind of a countless supply. I'm a little concerned now. I feel water dripping on my foot. But I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to move my foot. That's what paper towels are for. Can you guys tell me how I'm doing? I can't see. I'm not going to turn it back. Or maybe I will. Here. Get a little water in there. I hear something heavy in there. Like I know if you can even see that. It's kind of amusing. Probably more amusing to watch. That's okay. I'm more than happy to make a joke. Hakuna Matata. Let's see what I got here. It doesn't sound like there's a lot left in there, but I hear some heavies. That's not gold. That's big. That's big. Those are just big guys getting caught in the riffles. That's why I think the small riffles probably would be better for this. But who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. All I do know is I certainly don't want any round gold, Shane. please make this bag be flat and chunky. That's fine, but just not round. I don't want it to roll. If it rolls, I'm in trouble. Keep clearing out my catch pan where I'm panning. I push it to the side so I can hear when the stones are falling. It's not completely, foolproof, but it definitely helps. And I think if I drop a piece of gold, it's going to make a different sound. I'll almost put money on it. Alright, what do we got left in here? Just a couple big guys. I guess we're gonna go like this. Work it all down. I probably have way too much water. That's fine. Okay. So we're gonna turn it back. And we're gonna stratify a little. And just pull the big stuff back. Try and keep some of this stuff back. That's not gold. That's not gold. That's not gold. That would have been a big nugget. Suspicious sounding. Oh, it's definitely too big. If that was gold, that would be heavier. Uh-oh. That's not good. Don't like that sound. Oh well, I'm gonna give it a shot. That sounded like gold. Where's the silver one? Oh, I hear you. Where are you? That's gold. I hope it didn't bounce out of the pan. Okay, so if that's still in here, that's 1 of 5 or 6. Where are my ripples? Gotta get it all in the snuffer. Those 2. Can't tell, but I have to have some freebies, right? Oh, I hear gold. What was that? Oh. Oh, that's hard on the eyes, eh? Well, I don't see, I see one tiny flake in there. Let's hope it's not enough to make up 2 grams. Do I have any gold in here? I certainly hope. Sounds like there could be gold in there. Oh, I see gold. Okay. Is that a piece of gold? All right, snuffer bottle clean, or tube clean. Wow, this is exciting, I gotta say. Did not think it would come through. I heard it. I knew I heard it. I knew it. All right, let's grab the scaly thingamajigger. All right, there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And 4, all of them pickers, beautiful. Just beautiful, I gotta say. I don't know if you can see that or not, I wanna be careful here. I'm gonna just put that right there. I'm gonna blow it off real quick so no one's complaining about water. Four little pickers. 4 little pickers. I gotta say that's the least amount of pickers I've seen in a beginner bag. But they all look heavy. So here's hoping that we hit that 2.5, because I really don't think Shane would short us. I have faith. I have faith. So if it's not here, it's in there. Let's see. Oh, that's 2.7. You see that? That's my mistake. That is 0.272 of a gram. As you can see, that's in grams. That's 4 nice little pickers. And I did that blindfolded. Yeah. All right. Well, I guess thanks for watching. I hope this qualifies, Bubba, because I don't think I can do any better than that. I really don't. I am very pleased with how that turned out. So like, comment, subscribe, whatever all those things people say. Make sure you go check out Bubba's challenge and Klesh Guitars for his awesome product. This gold beginner pay dirt is something else, especially when you try and do it blindfolded. Have fun. Take care.